Uh-oh, this hot girl is ready for summer because she's hot every season. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm showing you how I got these passion braids, butterfly braids. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. Also, make sure you follow me on IG for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Okay, lovies, so I'm bringing you something a little different. Today we are getting summer ready, summer hot, summer fine, okay? So your girl needed her hair done for vacation. I love to swim. I just don't want to worry about my hair. So what do? We braid our hair, and so that's what I decided to do. I am not the best at braiding, and I'm not the best at braided styles, but I'm going to share with you how I achieved this look by watching YouTube videos and just doing my thing at home on my own. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. So I already have my hair sectioned out and parted. So I did part my hair. I did the front. It took me a long time to do the front, and then my sister did the back for me because your girl can't see back there, and I had my mirror and I was trying to part. I did go in with the 24-hour Edge Tamer Extreme Firm Hold. So this is what I used on my hair. So I put that all over the part, and then I got a brush, brushed it out, and then I put the rubber band on. So for hair, I'm using this brand braiding hair. It's pre-stretched Kankalon, and it's 50 inches. I'm also using Free Tress Water Wave in 22 inches and a crochet hook. So we have everything we need. Let's get started. Okay, so to start off, you want to start with braiding hair. So I sectioned off a piece of braiding hair that I will crochet into my individual section. So as you can see, I put the crochet hook in that section, and then I'm going to crochet a piece of hair through that section. So I just want this piece of braiding hair to be anchored by the rubber band in the section. You want to make sure that piece is even, and I am going to spread it out over my hair so it can shield my hair. Then I'm going to take another piece of braiding hair, a medium-sized piece, and I'm going to start braiding down. Now, I'm not sure how much hair you should use for each braid. It depends on you, how big you want the braid. Every time I did my braid, I eyeballed it so it could be a somewhat similar size. So I'm feeding the water wave hair into the braid. Honestly, I can't tell you how I'm doing it. I just did it and it worked out. I will have a list of tutorials of how to feed in braids and how to do butterfly braids. So the link to those tutorials will be in the description box. But like I said, this is my first time, and I kind of just winged it and did what felt right. So this is my first time doing butterfly braids or passion braids, but this isn't my first time doing like a box braid on myself. I've done box braids before, so I'm kind of used to braiding my hair, even though I don't have such a great grip or a tight grip. So that's why I decided to use the rubber bands. But as you can see, I'm just going to braid the hair all the way down until the braiding hair is gone, and the only thing that is left is water wave hair. Now to get the butterfly effect, all you have to do is pull apart the braid. So I'm just pulling apart the braid top to bottom, just making the braid bigger and looser. But I will say, do not pull apart the braid too close to the base of the braid. You just want to leave that secure. So now I'm going to take a piece of hair and wrap it around the ends of my braids so they won't unravel. Then create a knot, and we have one braid done. Let's go, Sharon. Let's go, Sharon. So moving on to the second braid, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the crochet hook in the section, crochet a piece of braiding hair. All you do is put the hair in the hook. First you open the hook, then you put the hair in the hook, then you close the hook, and then you pull the hair through and remove the crochet hook. So that's how you crochet. Crocheting is very easy. If you're not good at braiding, you should definitely try to crochet your hair. You can crochet braids, but that's for another day. And then I'm going to take another piece of braiding hair, and then I'm going to braid my hair down a couple of times, maybe 3 to 4 times, and then I'm going to add in the water wave hair. Now I would advise that you're organized and you have your section of hair, your pieces of hair already separated, so that makes everything easy. As you see, I keep picking up hair and bending over because my hair was falling on the ground and I wasn't organized and it was a mess, but girl, we got it done. But for you, I would definitely recommend being organized and separating your pieces of hair beforehand. Also, the tighter you braid, the harder it is for you to pull apart the braid to get the butterfly effect. I was struggling, my hands were hurting, but yeah, so the looser you braid, the easier it is to pull it apart, but you also could have your braid slip out, so just a warning. FYI, my hair is freshly washed and I did a deep condition treatment on my hair as well. So if you need any tips on washing and deep conditioning your hair, check out my wash day routine as well as my newest hair care video, which is my deep conditioning routine. Go check those videos out. You want to make sure when you're putting this synthetic hair in your hair, like braiding hair, canker hair, you want to make sure that your hair is very moisturized. So deep conditioning is very important. I also did the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and oil to moisturize my hair, to lock the moisture in so it can stay moisturized for a long time. So I did try out a new technique. Depending on how my hair is and the results of my hair, if it's hydrated after I take these braids out, I will share with you what I did. I'm excited about it. I think it's a go. I think it's a win, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. But moisture is so important when you are doing these braided styles with synthetic hair. So that's just a tip. 3 braids done. Let's go. Okay, so I am done. I just have one more. One. So at this point, I am done with my hair. I'm just doing the finishing touches, pulling apart the last braid so I get that butterfly effect. I used about 2 packs of the braiding hair and 2.5 to 3 packs of the water wave to achieve this style, to achieve this look. So that's how much hair I used. So I'm actually happy with my hair. I love the results of my hair. I'm actually very proud of myself, but it's been a long day. I'm super tired, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll check in with you guys in the morning. loving it. She is giving you summer. She is ready for vacation. We are vacation ready. Some tips that I have is you got to make sure you have a seriously strong grip, like a good grip on your hair as you're braiding. I thought I was done, but I wasn't done. I looked in the mirror and then I saw that some of my braids were slipping out. Look at this, y'all. So the braid is sliding off. Can you see? One sliding off. This one is about gone. This one is sliding off as well. And that's because I didn't have a strong grip as I was braiding my hair. So you want to make sure your grip is good. Being that my grip isn't strong enough, I thought it would help me doing the rubber band and crocheting my hair. It didn't help. The braid still slipped out. I did do it again, and I did do it with a stronger grip, and that did help. But I'm not too confident or sure about how these braids are going to hold up. I'm only wearing it for 2 weeks, and I only have it in my head because I'm going on vacation. But your girl is a swimmer. When I go on vacation, especially to like a beachy area with a lot of water, I am going swimming. And I'm going really swimming. Like, I'm going diving in the water, like hair completely wet, like it's going down. Might go snorkeling, might get on some jet skis. So I'm really going to swim. Like, I love water activities. And my hair not being secure is a little scary. I don't want to be swimming and then I see a braid floating next to me, like, oh girl, like a braid floating. So I will keep you posted on what will happen with my hair. If anything, your girl gonna be poolside, beachside, sitting in a lounge chair, reattaching her braid that came out, honey. That might be me. I will be vlogging my vacation to the Keys, so you want to make sure you're subscribed so you get that notification when I upload that video. So make sure you subscribe because you want to see if this hair is gonna hold up, honey, or if I'm gonna be looking a hot mess beachside. But whatever, she's gonna make it happen. She's gonna make it work, you know. So towards the end, when I was like on my second to last braid, I did realize something. And it's so funny that you realize what you need to do when you're almost done. Like, I'm done with my head, and then I realized that, girl, your passion braid needs more passion. Like, you need way more passion for the look you're trying to achieve. Now, when I say passion, I mean I needed more of the water wave hair. So I needed to do more strands of the water wave hair in my braid. So I needed to incorporate more. So as you can see, I have a lot. It's a lot of the braiding hair, like the regular braiding hair, and then towards the end you see the water wave. Is the butterfly braid the same as the passion braid? Sound off in the comment section. Let me know if it is the same thing or not, because I believe these are passion braids because I have a lot of the water wave at the end. When I was doing the braid, I just kept thinking that the ends, I was just worried about the ends being curly, and I should have been worried about it being curly throughout the braid so I could get that butterfly effect. So yeah, my braids need more passion, needs more butterflies, girl. But I mean, I guess this is the Sharon version of passion braids, butterfly braids. Like I said, she's giving exactly what I needed, what I was looking for. So I'm gonna work with it. I actually love how it came out. Another plus about this hair is, or this style, is that, you know, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's not about the perfect braid. It is supposed to be a little distressed, like, because you are pulling apart the braid. So I love that. So this is great for if you're not that great at braiding. If you're that person, it's great for you. So I love that it doesn't have to be so neat, but I definitely recommend this look. I love that the braids are so chunky and big. So I am in love with this hairstyle, even though it didn't turn out exactly how it should have. And your girl might lose some braids, a long curd trip to Key West while I'm in the water. Y'all pray for me. Lord, please let these braids stay in my head. Okay, lovies, so that is how I achieved this look. Comment down below and let me know if you're loving this style on me. Also, I want to know, are you loving the passion twist, passion braid trend? Because this is a hot trend on YouTube. Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for relaxed hair content and more. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends.